apply this magical gel, you apply the glitter over it, and after you're done for your day, you want to get that glitter off, all you have to do is peel it off. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. I mean, who doesn't like glitter? It glams up an entire look, takes it to the next level, and adds so much more pizzazz to your existing look. But taking it off is a whole other story. Cleaning that glitter off your lid is not easy. I've used sticky tape to take it off. I've used different cleansers, but there's never been a time where that glitter hasn't gotten into my eye or at the least irritated my eyes. There's always residue of glitter left on my lashes and my lids until now. This is the Mamacita Peel Off Glitter Glue Gel. This is a game changer. I can't wait to show you how to use it. So without further delay, let's begin. For today's eye makeup, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer as the base. You can also use an eyeshadow primer. The brush that I'm using is the Laura Geller Concealer brush, and then I'm going to lightly set it with the Lottie London Translucent Powder to prevent this concealer from creasing. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Geodes palette by What's Up Beauty. The colors in here are absolutely stunning, but today I'll be mostly working with neutrals because I'll be using a glitter on my lid. Starting with the shade Lava, a beautiful turmeric shade, I'm going to be using this to warm up the crease with the Rose & Ben blending brush. This eyeshadow is super pigmented. I'm just going to add more eyeshadow till I'm happy with the intensity, and while I do that, I'm going to keep buffing it out so it's soft and nice. And then with the Rose & Ben flat fluffy brush, I'm also going to smoke this out in my lower lash line. To deepen the crease further, I'm going to be using Terra with the same Rose & Ben blending brush. I'm going to mostly focus this in the outer crease, again buffing it out, adding more eyeshadow as I want to increase the intensity. And then I'm going to blend it out so it melts into my transition shade. And then with a smaller definer brush, this is from Folklore, I'm also going to smudge it out in my lower lash line, very close to my lashes. I'm taking a little bit more of that eyeshadow and applying it to the very outer corner, again buffing it out so I have a nice deep defined outer corner. It's time to apply glitter on the lids, but first I'm going to be using the Mamacita Peel Off Glitter Gel. It's a transparent gel, it's pretty viscous, it feels like any other gel. With a flat shader brush from Colourpop, I'm going to apply a thin layer over my lid. It's very easy to use this. And then for glitter, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter in copper, and I'm going to stick it right on top of this glitter gel. I'm not even going to wait for that gel to dry or get tacky. I'm pretty much immediately sticking the glitter over it with a flat fluffy brush. Now the NYX glitter is loose glitter, so there's going to be a certain amount of fallout which you can easily wipe off. I'm taking a little bit more of that shade Terra, the deeper brown shade, and using it right beside the glitter where it ends so it can blend into the outer corner. And then I wanted to deepen the outer corner further, so I'm going to be using some black eyeshadow. This is called Let's Do It by Colourpop. With a blending brush, I'm going to buff it out in the very outer V. Then I'm going to use that eyeshadow in my lower lash line as well, using a small flat shader brush, and I'm going to keep it very close to my lashes. Using this beautiful shade called Rose Quartz, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as my brow bones. To finish this look, I'm going to first curl my lashes with my Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Rem Beauty mascara. You can also add false lashes to this look. You can finish this up the way you prefer. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that black eyeshadow with a small angled brush. I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. I really love the way this look turned out, and also if you observe, I have hooded eyes, but because of the glitter, it's holding my lid up, so it's creating more lid space, which I absolutely love. I have nowhere to go, but let's assume I went to an event or party and now it's time to get that glitter off my lid. Or rather, should I say, it's time to peel off that glitter. I'm using a brush to lift that glitter glue from my inner corner. You can also do it from your outer corner, and you can also do it with your fingers. You don't need a brush. And then I'm using my tweezers to pull it off. You can also use your fingers. But how cool is this? There's not a single residue of that glitter on my lid. The whole thing just came off in one shot and there's nothing left on my lid. So it's so easy to clean up my lid space now because there's not going to be any glitter getting into my eyes. All I have to do is clean up the eyeshadow. This can work with any size glitter. Let's use a more chunky glitter. So I'm going to use the glitter glue and then I'm going to be applying a chunky glitter over it. I can also see myself doing a cut crease with this and applying a shimmer shadow over it just to get the pigment payoff. And when I'm done, it's just so much more easier to clean up by just peeling it off. Now, this chunky glitter, I got it from Amazon. I never really use this, but there are times like this when I have to demo something and that's when I use it. And it's very convenient to even stick the glitter on top of the glitter glue. You don't have to put in much effort. It sticks automatically because the glitter glue itself is pretty tacky. I'm going to wait for this to dry just for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to lift off the inner corner like I did with the other glitter as well. Again, you can use your fingers for this, and then I'm going to peel it off. Looks like I did not allow it to completely dry, but it's still peeled off, as you can see, which is fantastic. So you just have to wait for it to completely dry so you can just peel it off in one stretch. That's pretty much it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you did, and do check out the description box for all the products that I used. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.